What's that?
Lipstick.
What?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Sino nagbigay sa'yo? Tita?
Tita.
Of me. Oh, you say thank you to her.
Thank you ulit.
Flying kiss mo. Pati yung lipstick. Paano mag-lipstick ba yung baby? Paano ba mag-lipstick? Ba, walang salamin. Okay. Oh, patingin. Patingin ang lips. Wow. Galing mo naman. Oh, sige. Saan tayo punta? Go, you walk. Dito na.
I'm a pink.
Hold mo yan. Lagyan natin yung lipstick mo sa bag ko.
No.
Why?
Doon lang yan.
Hawak mo lang. Okay. Okay.